Do you want to try a healthy beverage that's more than just water, but less than high-calorie soda? Barley Tea is here to satisfy your taste buds and improve your overall health. Stay tuned at Natural Education, for we will give you 7 benefits of barley tea. If you are a tea enthusiast, you would know that barley tea is not your ordinary tea because it is a little extra. Barley tea is not brewed from tea leaves. It is made from roasted grains. Barley tea is made by steeping roasted barley kernels in hot water. This nutty-flavored drink can be an alternative to drinking water, and it can be drunk at any time of the day, as well as be consumed either hot or cold, depending on your preference. Barley tea is widely known in East Asian countries like Japan, China, and Taiwan, but it is most popular in South Korea. Some restaurants in South Korea use barley tea as an alternative to water, and they even put roasted corn as a sweetener to this beverage. Unlike green or black tea, barley tea is not considered a true tea. This tea has amber or golden color, and it tastes slightly bitter and can be recognized in various names. In South Korea, it is called boricha. In China, its name is damai cha, and in Japan, it is known as muhicha. Barley tea is rich in vitamins A and C, which boost your immune system. It is also high in fiber, which helps in weight loss and proper digestion. But before we proceed, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you want more informational content like this. Hit the bell icon as well so we can keep you updated with our latest videos every week. Number 1. Digestion and bowel movement. If you often suffer from heartburn and acid reflux, barley tea is an awesome natural remedy for you. It is caffeine-free and contains antioxidants, so it is safe to drink to relieve stomach cramps and nausea. Barley tea is known to have high fiber content that helps reduce constipation. It has a soluble fiber called beta-glucans that lower the risk of heart diseases by preventing your body from absorbing cholesterol from food. According to a 2016 study, Nutraceutical Benefits of Barley Consumption, beta-glucans binds with water and slows the digestive process, which allows the body to better manage postprandial glucose and insulin responses, increases the volume of intestinal contents, which hinders the absorption of cholesterol. If 8 glasses of water aren't enough to regulate your bowel movement, barley tea could be your best solution. Drinking a cup of barley tea 30 minutes before a meal can improve your digestion. Barley tea improves intestinal health and increases bile acid excretion into the intestines. Number 2. Weight loss and metabolism. Better weight loss results can spring from a healthy diet and proper digestion. Including barley tea in your daily meals can provide a nutritious alternative to water. If you worry about bloating, barley tea can replace sugary drinks, which are definitely a threat to your fitness goals. This fiber-rich drink can make you feel full faster and longer to avoid overeating that may result in weight gain. Barley tea's antioxidants can also boost your metabolism, so your body can rapidly convert your food to the energy that it needs. Barley tea has low calories. It is also recommended to people with diabetes because it doesn't harm or increase their blood sugar levels. Number 3. Improved blood circulation. When your blood flows properly and smoothly, you can avoid serious cardiovascular diseases like hypertension. Consuming barley tea regularly improves your blood fluidity and prevents blood clots or clogged arteries that can cause a heart attack. According to scientists, barley consumption helps in lipid metabolism and can significantly lower LDL cholesterol levels. Based on the same 2016 study on nutraceutical benefits of barley consumption, since 2005, the United States Food and Drug Administration, or US FDA, has allowed barley foods to lower the risk of coronary heart diseases. Number 4. Boosted immune system. Since barley tea is high in vitamin C, this drink helps your immune system in preventing certain illnesses and diseases. It helps in the production of white blood cells that fight infections inside the body. Antioxidants in barley tea also eliminates free radicals, which cause damage to lipids and proteins. It can also cause cell death that increases the risk of cancer and premature aging. Vitamin C in barley tea prevents allergic rhinitis and reduces its symptoms like nasal congestion, headache, and runny nose. It is also proven to shorten flu and common colds. Barley tea sounds so delicious and nutritious, right? If you have tried drinking this healthy beverage before, let us know about your experience in the comments section and tell us how it improved your health as well. Number 5. Better sleep. Since barley tea is caffeine-free, it can be consumed before bedtime to help you sleep better. It contains melatonin, a compound that regulates our body's circadian clock and sleep cycles. It also contains tryptophan, another compound that triggers neurotransmitters in the brain that makes us feel calm and relaxed. Experts recommend barley tea to people who suffer from insomnia and sleep disorders to help them get a peaceful night's sleep. Number 6. Prevented tooth decay. Barley tea is not only good for digestive health, but it is also proven to improve oral health by protecting the teeth from plaque buildup. According to Healthline, a 2007 study found that drinks made from roasted barley, such as barley tea, contain anti-adhesive properties. These anti-adhesive properties protect the teeth from plaque buildup that can lead to cavities that may eventually result to tooth decay. Experts also found that people who drink barley tea regularly have stronger and healthier teeth compared to those who don't. Barley tea's antioxidants and polyphenols helps you stay confident in showing off that perfect smile. Number 7. Boost male fertility. Studies have shown that barley tea can improve sperm motility that leads to better fertilization. Barley greens possess high amounts of selenium. Selenium is a mineral linked to male fertility, and low counts of it cause fertility problems. According to the International Journal of General Medicine, regular consumption of selenium increased fertility in men who had been infertile for 1 year or longer. In a study conducted among 690 infertile men, 52% of participants had an improvement in sperm motility when they were given selenium and vitamin E for 100 days. 10% of them provided spontaneous pregnancies too. You may also check our latest videos on foods high in zinc and symptoms that you are lactose intolerant. These will help you better understand how certain food and drinks like the barley tea affect our body. As we always say, it feels great when we spread awareness to our loved ones. It's always been our goal to create a community of well-informed and healthy people. Share this with your friends as well, and see you on our next natural education story.